My name is Ricarda Jacobi. I come from Germany, from Detmold, University of Applied Sciences, Ostwestfalen-Lippe, in the department of Detmold School of Architecture and Interior Architecture.
Hi, my name is Rosa. I'm part of the interior design team from Germany.
My name is Anna. I'm here for the project for the Solar Decathlon.
We have been here for now almost 2 weeks, working especially on the interior of the house. And at the first week, it was actually most important that the group gets to know each other, that we are sketching, we are developing rough and quick ideas, and we actually. What was really important for me, that we have it very human-centered. So we developed profiles, actual people who are living in there as personas, the whole family, gave them names. The second week was mostly to get it a lot clearer and knowing how the space, how we want the basic space to look like.
So we started with a floor plan. So everyone got their part to do a floor plan for themselves, and then we discussed it afterwards. And we did some sketches, and we were thinking about like a whole concept for the Nativo house.
My motivation was to come here because I can do it as my practice semester. So I don't have to work for 6 months in an office. So now I can work on this project and do very practical stuff. It's really amazing to get some more experience in building and not just the drawing and planning.
It was really important that at this first workshop we do get to know each other. We know how to work with each other, how to communicate with each other.
I think we are already grown so much together during the first 2 weeks now, that I'm very positive that it's going to be a lot of fun and it's going to work out very well.